let you go. Girl, you know how I've been living without you.
What's up, C family? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ciaramona, and I'm back with another video. Yay! Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I look a little under the weather right now. Like, I got a hoodie on, my hat on, sweatpants. Like, today is just one of those days where I'm just kind of feeling really gloomy and depressed. And I think it's because my hair. Like, I know I'm not the only girl that just gets hair depressed. Like, when my hair is not done, I be feeling like an android. And I'm just like, oh my God, what's wrong with me? I know I'm PMSing right now, so that's part of the problem. And then the other part is my hair.
I'm literally just a girl.
But anyways, I think I have a solution to the hair problem.
Maybe not the other problem because that's just Mother Nature.
But I think I have a solution to the hair problem.
Guess what, bitch?
I just got a package in the mail today. I'm super happy because this kind of made my day a little better. It's from Ulahair. So I just got some hair in the mail. I'm hella excited that my hair came before Thanksgiving. You feel me? Like, your girl is trying to eat a meal and be the meal. You know what I'm saying? I haven't opened this yet, but I am sure about to. I wanted to wait until I opened it with you all because you know I love you all so much. Before I do that, if you're not familiar with Ulahair, make sure you go follow them on Instagram. This is their official page. So, first things first that's in the bag is some lashes, comb, and I love these combs because, baby, I be itching my scalp so bad. Like, I know that's not healthy, but baby, when I got a quick weave or a sew-in, baby, I have to really, like, get in there. Personal letter straight from Eula. It says, love gorgeous you, love Ulahair, www.ulahair.com. Dear VIP customer, thanks for choosing Ulahair. I hope it is a value purchase experience. Please kindly check the parcel if you have any problems. We will try our best to help you. Hope you are satisfied with our service. Thank you, Cherry. Thanks so much, Cherry. Next thing is a wig cap. I'm not doing a wig, but I will kindly just save this, you know, to the side when I do get my wigs again. Oh yeah, I'm actually on a wig break. So if y'all noticed, I've had my clip-ins in for a little minute now, or just like a slick back ponytail. I haven't really been doing wigs like that because I'm trying to grow my edges back out. Like, baby, I can't be running around here with no edges. It's an instruction list. So these are just some do's and don'ts for the hair. Just basically telling you like hair care products that you can use to wash the bundles. And like basically hair dyes that you can use to dye the hair. And then last but not least, y'all, the bundles. They sent me an 18, 20, and a 22 body wave textured. I'm so excited to have some new bundles, y'all, because one thing about me, baby, I could use and reuse and reuse and reuse some bundles. I can dye them. I can do a, you know, half up, half down. I could do a middle part, a side part, anything with these bundles. And one thing that I'm probably not going to do is put glue on them like no time soon because I want to be able to reuse them. But so far so good. The hair feels amazing. There's a lot of body in this hair. I just left the beauty supply store because like I said, I'm not doing any glue on my hair. So I just went to go get a needle and thread. So my sister is going to be installing my bundles. So I'm about to wash my hair. And then I'm going to just wait until my sister gets here so we can do my hair. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go shop at Ulahair. Everything will be listed in the description box below and on the screen below. So yes, let's get into it. Thought I wasn't able to really like take y'all through that process because it was so much going on within that time frame. But my hair is actually installed. The hair is really really full, as y'all can see. Like, these are all of the bundles. By the way, this is a sew-in, and I didn't get it styled because I am going to be the one doing the styling. So I'm going to be crimping my hair, and then while I'm crimping my hair, I'm going to just be giving y'all some tunes of my playlist or whatnot. So yeah, while I'm doing my hair, we're going to be singing some songs. But just a little quick update on the hair. It feels really good. It's very smooth. It's very full, which I love. I was kind of scared, like, you know, I was kind of scared because when I get bundles, my head is like super small, so like not all of the bundles fit in there, but we did a really good job with this. As y'all can see, middle part leave out. So yeah, let's just get into like me styling my hair now. I 100% would recommend this hair. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if you want you some good bundles, make sure you go shop. Period.
Tryna live my best life, tryna find the best vibe. Get high. Back when you told me you was never folding, yeah, you were right till we died when you both. Funny how God is love is. You miss me, yeah. You miss me, yeah. Need shit, you know you my weakness. You miss me, yeah. Let the go. You wanna go, yeah. You never had loving until you had mine. Oh, titties but got ass though. She all about the cash flow. Shawty all about the cash flow. He lit you like a candle. I just you know, let you know, have you knocking at my door? Look at the drive closing in. Drive closing in. Isn't love, I guess love exists. You can't deny emotion from a woman. I did you wrong, and baby girl, I can't change that. Ooh, but instead it was me. No, I did you wrong, and baby ain't no changing that. But girl, I love it strong. Oh, you're mine, and I know I did you wrong. Girl, you were mine. And ain't calling us, ain't true. Well, if it wasn't true. When you left me, girl, was a thought to do. I ain't taking your shit today, no. I ain't sticking around no more. Just wanna play with my heart and every night I need you, boy, you funny. Got my own money, so I'ma show you. Guess you don't know me, guess you don't know. Yesterday when we were getting high, you would've liked it. I know you all too well. What am I afraid of? This is supposed to be what dreams are made of. But promise me it would never change. Thank you. The right mattress. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. A little bit of drama with her friends. What's going on? Yeah. Every lost girl I know is over 26. Different than it was before. People around you wanting more. Take your last relationship. Look how good you treated him. They still need you. They still fuck with you. I take that how you go. That's not me.
When I say my playlist, I really meant my throwback playlist.
No way, no way. No way. No way. Wanna eat that pussy creamy like a dip. I pussy wetter than the bottom of a ship. Big pussy nigga fast. What? I'm looking like a blazing. Which candy things for the weapon. So the boo dirty, walk around with a cool dirty. I got peanut butter, which mean on a man. Slick green like a Sally. No, no, no way. We gon' make a motion picture. Take it on, take it on, take it on, take it on. Let's make it up and make a motion picture. Motion picture, running back the room, girl, it's now what you think. We gon' make a motion picture. We gon' make a motion picture. Ride me, about to come ready. When you're downtown, when I'm around town, I'm ready. You are about to climb, don't be shy. What I'm here for, I'm ready. Don't worry about who I'm riding with. All of you have all my kids. And I'm better than Beyonce. Wildin' out at parties. Don't look with you tonight, even if it's in time. Shawty, shawty, hey. With you tonight, even if it's in time.
From Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He did his own. That's my high school, in my crew, because I do.
She love me like a brother, but fuck me like a husband. Pussy like a oven, she tell me that it's mine. I tell her stop lying. She said worry about yourself, but tell me.
Same cup in the hand, ass nigga in the club with a credit card scam ass nigga. I'll be damned if I fuck a non-man ass nigga. I if I fuck a non-man ass nigga. My bitches all the way out to Dubai. Pussy you tried, pussy ass nigga you lied. Bitch I'm me, 100 on the wrist I ski.
Almost done. Really, like, I only got like a few more pieces left. I'm spraying it what got to be sprayed because that's holding the crimps. Mind you, I have my leave out, so I'm gonna be doing my edges. And I'm gonna finish this side because I ain't even do this side yet. So I'm just using my hot comb just to like my hair like really straight at the roots. When you have leave out, I'm not gonna lie, my hair with like the weather, it don't be mixing at all. So I'm gonna just get that. Y'all see that? And people always like ask me how I blend my leave out so good. I use this Luster's Renutrition's slick stick, and then I use my hot comb. Bone straight, baby, bone straight. Ice cream crew, how it's new. Shit, ice cream girl and ice cream crew. Y'all know what they do. Damn bitch, man, watch her go home. She gets away. No more excuses, no more excuses. Ciaramona. Whatever you want. Big gang in a little bit. I need some money in a little bitch. Come on. I ain't no talking about no free smoke, but I ain't want to. I'm saying I don't want it. I ain't seen no window, girl, that's the sweat. We just acting like I don't wanna present. I know it's something new. We just acting like I think I got it. You want us to part on the road. Couple hoes in the that's why I'm not sleeping. 'Cause I know. Pull up, pull up, pull up. I've been waiting on you all day, baby. You should just come and pull up. Me, yeah. You didn't feel the need to tell nobody. Who is it? Wish he's been enough time with God. You know, at the end of the day, you still invited, baby. I needed it and now you should love. Feel like you don't want me. Make me feel like I am the judge. What do you take me for? This is my favorite edge control, edge booster. And this is the last process. Me doing my edges.
Since you've been away, love has been in my head. Done looking for love, cause she took away her love.
I'm so mad I have to use like my big flat irons because my little flat irons for my edges broke. So I need to invest in me another one.
Do I enjoy? If I call her and tell her to come in, she don't enjoy. Do you love me like you say you do? Yes. I know you ain't mind, but do I love you? Yes. Me. And I know how it feels, so we can move in that. Yes. Tell me, do you love me like you say you do? If I got a little bit on the chest, I know you ain't mind, but do I love you? Yes. Me.
Hair is done. Like, I really like how it came out because you can tell that it's crimped, but it's like still like that wavy look. So I'm all finished. Now I'm about to put on my lashes that I received from Ulahair. Already just in time for the holidays. I said hair to press, baby. So it ain't giving hair to press no more, child. I did my crimps, I did my edges. I put my lashes on from Eula. As this video comes to an end, make sure you guys go shop Ulahair. I used all of my bundles, I used my lashes, and again, this is the Instagram. So make sure you all go shop. Like I said, everything will be listed in the description box below, and everything will be at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later.